You look like one of those sad influencers trying to get some followers. Take a look at that.
We're in Brecon and we're going to the 4 waterfalls. Russ and I have been here before together, but it's Lacey's first time. We got up really early and so far we haven't seen one person. So we're hoping we get some of the waterfalls to ourselves. So we're heading to the first waterfall now. I think it's about 15 minutes. Russ has acquired a stick.
It's my walking stick.
It's his walking stick, and Lacey is just, she doesn't know what to do with herself. Do you, Lace?
So that's the house to live in, isn't it? Can you imagine? Look at
Oh
that.
yeah.
And you can't get more in the wild than that.
I don't know if the stick's more hassle than it's worth.
But it's long, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like dragging
It's not built for you.
10 kilos. Left or right?
No, it's more. It's the main
Yeah,
track,
keep
isn't it?
going. We still haven't seen one person. And it's not that me and Russ don't like people. We just don't like crowds. And it's hard to enjoy these things out in nature when there's just so many people. I can hear running water. I think we're about to approach the first one. We'll have to recreate that photo.
When we liked each other.
We took this photo after one of our first dates here. I was so excited I got it made into a canvas. Beautiful.
It is.
Mwah. Back up we go. Onto the next.
Not touching the pretty hardcore, but
How do you know it's grounding you? How do you feel?
I feel energised.
Energised from using the stick.
It's grounding, babe. Look.
I know, I'm surprised you're not barefoot. We're just umming and ahhing. It says no entry, very steep single file one-way path, but it's usually the way we go, so we're off. I wouldn't go as far as to say we're anarchists, but we don't really follow all the rules, Russ and I, as you'll get to know. It wouldn't hurt to go back to the days where people actually used initiative. We all have it, we all have initiative, intuition, but it's just been beaten and conditioned out of us. Okay, that is quite steep.
It's the one we never go to.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it must be.
Okay, wow, this happens to be the one we never go to. Crazy. Oh, wow. Babe, we proper missed out on this one.
Hey?
We proper missed out. It's beautiful.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm getting in there. Can't believe Russ and I have never done this one before, and it looks like one of the nicest. Wow, look. Unreal.
What is going through her mind? Take a look at that. Our own private waterfall pool. You can sit on here though, babe. That's...
Get in then, babe. Saying that was so refreshing. I can't stop smiling, absolutely buzzing. This is just, I'm talking so fast. This is why I love doing this. It just sets you up for the rest of the day. And to do that with Russ and Lacey, I just couldn't ask for anything better. How you feeling?
Yeah, good. Obviously, that was this is like the 5th time, is it? We've been here.
Yeah.
And that's the first time we've been to that one.
I can't believe it. I always thought.
And that's more or less.
Yeah.
The best one, I'd say.
Oh, honestly, guys, if anyone's watching this and you've heard of these waterfalls in Wales and you haven't been, please visit. It's just amazing. We can't believe it. So this is the number 1 that we always visit, beautiful. And all we had to do to see the second one was literally walk up there, and we didn't know. Oh yeah, babe, I'm going to tell them about when we came here on a date. Russ walked to the edge of this and jumped off. I was just saying how you jumped off.
Yeah.
And there was like a minibus load of elderly people, and someone was like, "He's dead." I think they're American. Obviously you were showing off, babe. He always goes in this one. Wow, what a shot. You okay, Lay? Oh God, what's he doing now? So Lacey worried about Russ. He's okay. It's proper shaking. He'll be back now. Cameras broke. A group of dogs came running up when we were on the waterfall. Russ is laughing. And it was on a tripod and they smashed through it.
Well, I didn't smash through it. Don't.
They did.
No. Right.
Obviously not on purpose.
No, but it wasn't even that. It was literally, they knocked it slightly, the tripod fell over, and these Osmo things are built. They charge a pretty small fortune, but they can't even take a little fall. That is society today.
I know. 300 quid camera done. Irrelevant. Out of breath, by the way. Fighting for my life. Because we've just walked up so many steps. Anyway, we're heading to another waterfall.
Tea, coffee and egg.
Tea, coffee, brought egg, did you?
Yeah, egg.
I saw you packing something in the van and I thought...
Egg on bread.
Egg on bread we got. That's alright. Lacey! Where are you? There she is. Lacey got steak. We got eggs and bread and Lacey's got steak. Says it all.
The last one. Number 4.
We did 3 already.
Yeah. Long steps down. Steps down ain't too bad. It's the quads on the way up. Well, I hope we can get a little quiet bit to ourselves.
Yeah.
Because you know, we hate people. Well, you know.
We don't hate people.
Not people in general, but we just hate, you know, that are just there for the, you know, the duty Instagram pic. They don't really enjoy nature. They don't really enjoy the moment, and that's what it's about, living in the moment.
Managed to get to ourselves, we're buzzing, but we thought, what do you call it, the quad burner, back up. It's well over 100 steps. Little story just to pass the time. When we came here on one of our first dates, I was off the back of a long time in martial arts and competing, considered myself to be very fit, and thank you. And when I come here with Russ, I thought I will smoke him on these steps, especially because he's a big guy, and then I made the assumption guys with all that muscle mass got no cardio and yeah, obliterated me. Don't judge a book by its cover. Steak fillets. Well, Lacey's okay. For some reason, we forgot the Jetboil. No cup of tea for me. Russ can have a coffee. And we got eggs we can't cook, but we got some bread and butter. Have we got those little bars? Oh yeah, when these four are illuminated, his ready-made coffee is complete. Yeah. We've got some squashed quark bars, some bread and butter. Any good?
Yeah.
Hey guys, we've had enough, we're heading back. Broke the camera, forgot the Jetboil, couldn't have any food. But nah, we were just saying it's when things go slightly wrong, they're the trips, and when it all goes wrong, they're the trips you remember. Like, you know, when you're trying to get to the airport, you get there, you forget your passport, and you just don't forget them. But yeah, amazing time. Gonna head back now and take in some of the scenery.
to stick on the trail, leave to stick on the trail.
We're so proud of Lacey and her swimming. She's proper building her stamina and confidence. She actually fell into a river before. It wasn't that deep, but she panicked and Russ had to get in and get her. So we've slowly introduced her, you know, just by paddling. And now she's swimming. I'm buzzing. Get him, Lace! Oh my days. Just wanted to say thanks to everyone that's supported us so far with the nice comments and just liking, subscribing. We're nearly going to hit 1,000 subs, and this is what we want to do full time to facilitate the life that we want. And it's funny because there are people out there that they'll say things like get a real job. If you want to do something creative or not the norm, do it. When people say get a real job, all they're saying to you is get back in line. Do exactly what you're supposed to do, what everybody else is doing. That's all get a real job means. So follow your heart and do what makes you happy.
You look like one of those sad influencers trying to get some followers.
That's what I put up with, guys.